morning students, in this video lecture we are going to start the new chapter which is logic gates. Logic gates. Basically the logic, what is logic? Logic could be anything, just like when we switch this is the switch and this is the bulb. When we switch, tap the switch and the circuit is completed, the bulb glows. So we can say, we could assume glowing of bulb as logic. Bulb glowing as logic 1. Bulb not glowing logic 0. It could be logic glowing of bulb logic 1, not glowing of bulb logic 0. We could also take the opposite, means bulb glowing logic 0, bulb not glowing logic 1. It depends on you that you are taking the logic either in positive sense or in negative sense. It depends on you that in which sense you are taking the logic. So you are representing the bulb glowing, yes, logic 1, bulb not glowing logic 0. So it is showing your positive sense, your positive attitude. So you can say there are two types of logic. One is positive logic, and second is negative logic. Here you are seeing that this is the positive logic case, and when you take bulb glowing logic 0, bulb not glowing logic 1. So it is representing the opposite logic. Here you can say your negative attitude, it means negative logic. So in positive logic, plus 5 volt, you have two voltage plus 5 volt, then you can say second is 0 volt. You have two voltage plus 5 volt and 0 volt, and for plus 5 volt you are taking logic 1, for 0 volt you are taking logic 0. So it is positive attitude and it is positive logic, and for 5 volt it is logic 0, and for 0 volt it is logic 1. It is showing negative logic. So logics are two types, positive logic and negative logic. You can see here there are two types of logic. Now what are the gates? Gates are the structures by which we can implement different logics. So there are some gates, basic gates. So first is NOT gate. What is NOT gate? The symbol of NOT gate is this. This is not the diode, don't confuse with the diode. This is the symbol of diode. This is not the symbol of diode, this is the symbol of the NOT gate. And there is input, let's say A, and there is output, let's say Y. This is input and this is output. So this input A could be what? It could be either logic 1 or you can say 5 volt. It could be either 0 volt. So if this is logic 1, if we are giving input as the logic 1 to a NOT gate, what it does just opposite. Means if we give the logic 1, the output is 0, logic 1 output is 0, for logic 0 output is 1. So it is inverting the inputs. That's why it is also called inverter. This is also called inverter. And we can make a table between input and output. This is 0, 1, this is 1, 0. This table is for the NOT gate, and there is an expression for the output of the NOT gate. This is y equal to a bar. Y equal to a bar. Here a bar is the Boolean expression. This is called Boolean expression, Boolean algebra, Boolean expression. And y equal to a bar means it is just opposite of the a. If you put a equal to 0, that is 0 bar. 0 bar is opposite of 0, that is 1. If you put 1 bar, it is 0. This is the meaning of here a bar. Now the second gate which we are going to discuss is AND gate. This is the symbol of AND gate. Second gate is AND gate. There is a two input. In the NOT gate there is only single input, one input, two input and one output. This is the AND gate. And here y equal to a and b. Y equal to a and b. This is Boolean expression a and b for the AND gate. And the logics are, inputs are a and b and output is y. What would be the input? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. If you provide the 0, 0 to the AND gate, the output is 0, 0. You can learn this as 0 to 0, but it is not like this. But you could we easily learn by this particular way: 0 to 0, 0, 0 to 1, 0, 1 to 0, 0, and 1 to 1, 1. But it is not like this way. It is the logic. It is a logic. So this is the table for the AND gate. And in the same way, there is one more gate which is called OR gate. Which is called OR gate, and this is the symbol for OR gate. This is A, B, this is OR, this is output Y, and Y equal to A or B. This is not called plus, this is called OR. A or B. This is called A or B. And this is A, B, Y, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. 0, 0, you can write, you can learn this table as taking it as positive. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, yes, 1. This is the truth table for the OR gate, table for the OR gate, inputs and outputs, and this is the Boolean expression. Now we are going to see the next gate, which is the NAND gate. This is AND. This is AND. Two inputs. If we take a inverter symbol, this dot, this point, this would become NAND. This is NOT, this is AND. NOT, AND plus NOT is NAND. This is Y. So Y equal to here, AB and NOT symbol is bar. So this is AB bar. This is the Boolean expression for NAND, and this is A, B, Y. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. 0, 0. In AND it is 0, but it is bar, so this is 1. 0 to 1, 0, this is 1. 0. This is the 1 to 1. This is 0. Opposite of the AND. The output is opposite of the AND. Inputs are same. We are giving the same, but output is in case of AND. This is 0 0 0 1. In case of NAND, this is 1 1 1 0. In the same way, we have the NOR. This is OR. We are taking this dot for the NOT. This is A, this is B, and this is Y. Y equal to A or B, and this is NOT. So this is Y equal to A or B, and this is bar sign NOT. A, B, and this is Y. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0, but this is bar, this is 1. 0 1 1, this is 0 0 0. This is the truth table for the NOT. So we have talked about the basic logic gates: NOT, AND, NAND, and NOR. This is the NOT. Now I am going to explain the logics by the switch diagram. Let's say I have a switch. This is the switch. Let's say this is S, and we are giving the input DC, and this is what? This is collecting a bulb. This is 5 volt, and the output is taking it across the bulb V0. Now, switch, this is V0. Switch is 0 and 1. There is two logic, 0 and 1. And we are taking as a positive logic. So 0 means switch. For switch logic, 0 means switch is off. Switch is off. And when switch is off, bulb is not glowing. And bulb is not glowing, we are taking the output as bulb across the bulb. And bulb is not glowing, and we are taking in the sense positive logic. It means bulb is not glowing means logic 0. If the switch is closed, current will start flow, bulb will start glowing, and switch is closed means logic 1, and bulb is glowing also logic 1. You can see here, these are the inputs, these are the outputs. Or inputs are 0 1, outputs are same. This particular figure is called buffer. This is called buffer. This is not the NOT gate. It is just simply passing the same input to the outputs. Now, if you want to make the NOT gates logic, NOT gate, apply the switch in the parallel. Now we have connected this switch in the parallel. Now we could see the what happens in the output for the same logic. When switch is 0, when switch is open, you could see switch is open, the current starts flowing in this path because this path is closed. You can see here this path is closed. So current starts flowing in this path, bulb will start glowing. Bulb glowing is 1. When we switch, when it's on the switch, when we press the switch and it is connected, and this path you can see there is a very less resistance. This is a short, and there is a very less resistance. All the current start flowing in this path because current always follow the path of low resistance. All the current would start flowing in this path. No current would go in that path because there is a resistance because of this bulb. Bulb has a resistance, and in this path there is no resistance. All the current start flowing in this path. Means bulb will not go. Bulb will not go means 0. You can now see for 0 it is 1 output, for 1 this is 0. It is inverter. It means it is a NOT gate. This is the NOT gate. So this figure is the figure for the NOT logic, NOT gate. not logic. This is the figure. And you know that the diode is work as a switch. So in place of switch, we could apply the diode. In place of switch, we can place here diode. So what is the circuit if we place the diode and we want to make the NOT gate? So in place of switch, we are connecting the diode, and this is positive terminal, and for positive we have to make the switch open. So diode will open in the reverse bias. It means this is the diode connection like this. We have to connect diode like this. In place of switch, this is plus and this is N and this is P. P is connected to negative and N is connected to positive. So in this particular situation, this diode, and we have to make here not DC, we have to make here AC. Now in the positive cycle of AC, this is plus, this is minus. This will become reverse bias, means open circuit, open, and the current starts flowing in this, bulb start glowing, this is bulb. In the reverse bias, in the next half cycle, this is minus, this is plus. Now the diode becomes conducting forward bias, the current starts flowing in this path, there is no current here because this is a short circuit path, so this is logic 0, bulb is not glowing. So this is the figure using the diode as a NOT gate, as a switch, we can make the particular figure. Now the second figure is for the AND gate. This is A, first switch. This is second switch B. Both switches are connected in parallel, not parallel. They are connected in series, and also they are connected in series with the bulb. And this is the output V0, and here we are connecting the DC. You can see. Now there is two inputs. Now there is two inputs A and B. This is A, this is B, and this is Y. 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1. When the logics are 0 0, means both are open, and both are open, there is no current, so it means it is not flowing. This is 0. When 0 1, this is open, this is closed, no current, circuit is open. When both are closed, then only current flows and the output will be 1. It means when both are 1, logic 1 means closed, then only 1 closed means 1, and in all the other cases it is 0. And you can see there, this truth table is for the which gate? This is for the AND gate. 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 and 1 1 1. This is for the AND gate. And this particular switch diagram, you can see this is representing the AND circuit and logic circuit. And in place of this switch, you can connect the diodes. You can connect the diodes. Now if you want to make the OR gate, now we are going to connect both the switch in parallel with each other, and the whole combination is in series with the output. This is A and this is B. This is voltage V. Now what would happen to the truth table? Let's see. Inputs are same logic. 0 0 means both are open. There is no current because both the paths are open. Bulb is not flowing. And in case of 0 1, this is open and this is closed. So the current starts in this path. Current starts flowing from this path because this path is providing a close connection. So it means bulb start moving. So it means if anyone is closed, bulb will flow, it means this is 1. And this logic is for which gate? This is for OR gate. This is for OR gate. So this is OR gate. This circuit is representing the OR gate. Now, for the next two gates, which are NAND and NOR, we have to make the same series connection of the switches, but in parallel to the output. This is A and this is B. These are in series, but all the combination is in parallel. In the previous one, both are in series and the combination is in series. That was AND and that was NAND. We could see that in 0 0 means both are open. Current will start flow in this. It means this is one flowing. This is one. When it would not go, when both the switches closed, the current will start flowing in this. Only in that particular situation. So when both are closed, the current start flowing in this. The bulb would not go in this 0. In all the combination it is 1. In which gate is it? This and this is NAND gate. In the same way you can make the NOR parallel, but whole combination is in parallel and switches are also is in parallel. A, B. This is what? This is the. You can see only when both the connections are open, then bulb will glow. It means in all the connections, this is what? This is